Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Google Lens on iPhone. So if you want to use the Google Lens on your iPhone to scan anything and identify the name, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The Google Lens is a feature on your iPhone that you can easily use to scan anything on Google, and this is going to help you to identify the name of the object and probably where you can buy the object. So the first you want to do is go ahead and open any browser. It doesn't count whether you're using Chrome, you're using Opera, or you're using Safari. So for this sake, let's go ahead and use Safari first. Open Safari, go to google.com. Now, once you get to google.com, on the search bar, you should see an icon here that represents camera. So that is the Google Lens. Go ahead, click on that. And then this is going to prompt you to select with your camera or upload anything from the image. But here, let's go ahead and scan using camera by clicking on the camera button under Google Lens. Then you should say to search with Google Lens, allow camera. Now go to settings and allow Google to use your camera. Turn on camera. Now go back to the Google site. Click on the lens icon. Now go ahead and grab anything you want to scan and then scan it on the Google Lens. So let's say I want to scan this. So position it properly and then use the Google Lens to scan it. Then once you click on the shutter button, hang on, then you should see the Google Lens matches it. Then swipe up on the image and you should see the description as it is. So this is an LG remote control, especially this particular model. And of course, it is an LG remote control. So this is an LG remote control, not a smart LG remote control, but it uses some of the features of smart TVs. And if you compare the LG remote control details provided by the Google Lens, then it should say that the detail matches. So you see, this is the LG model number. So you see that? And if you don't want to use the Google Lens on Safari, you can just go ahead and open your Chrome. On Chrome, all you just need to do once you open the Chrome browser, whether you visit google.com or not, is click on the Google Lens icon. Then again, go ahead and grab your object. Once you grab your object, click on the shutter button to snap it and search. Then once you snap it, and this is going to bring information about the result. You see that? So this is the remote, and then if you swipe up, you see information about the remote. And of course, where you can easily get the remote. So that is exactly how to use Google Lens on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.